Hello, second graders. We are ready for another story in our green reader. And this is the last story before we turn these in to Mrs. Knapp and get our second green reader for this school year. So let's learn our high frequency words that we're going to see in the story called Rosa and Blanca. Here we go. Please repeat after me. There, by, alone, daughters, youngest, many, and half. Excellent job. Looking at this list, can you see one word that is a noun? That's a person, place, thing, or product? Do you see a word that's a verb, something that you do? It's an action. All right, let's talk about these a little bit more. So the first one is alone. Can you say that one more time? Great job. And to be alone means you're all by yourself and you're with no one. So here we have a picture of someone sitting all by himself. He's all alone. And sometimes we like that. It's nice to have that quiet time. The next word is buy. Can you repeat that? Super. And when you buy something, you are making a purchase. So it's to purchase something. This is a verb. And you use money to get something. So you're going to maybe buy dinner or buy a present for somebody. So you'll need some money to take care of that. The last word on this page, this slide, is daughters. Can you say that? Very good. And daughters are girls of moms and dads. So moms and dads would call the girls in their family their daughters. And notice daughter is the base word. Daughter is a noun, it's a person. And when I add that S, it's a plural noun. It's more than one. So let's say these three words one more time. Let's do it together. Alone, by, daughters. Excellent job. Let's look at our next slide. The first word is half. Can you say that? You don't really hear the L in there. Half. You just hear that F on the end. And half is one equal part of something that's divided into two pieces. So for it to be a half, there should only be like two pieces. For example, this star. This star is divided into two equal pieces. And one half is black and the other half is white, or this is half of an apple. The other piece, there's only two of them, is somewhere else. So that's what a half is. Many, can you say that word? Excellent. And many is a lot of something. It's an antonym of few. So remember, antonym means opposite. So the opposite of few is many. Maybe you have many pencils in your pencil box, or you only have a few. And look at all these bikes. There's many bikes sitting up against that stone wall. The next word is there. Can you say that one? This one is tricky. This there has the letter I in it. And the way I remember it is when the word there has an I in it, it shows ownership. It's belonging to people. So when I use the word there, I might say their class is working very quietly. So it's showing ownership. That class belongs to those people that are in there. Or their new car is silver. So the family that owns the new car, it's their new car. That's a tricky one. The last one on this slide is youngest. Can you say youngest? Excellent. The base word is young, and we added that suffix est. So we're comparing some people. And the youngest is the last one born in a group. So Mrs. Richards is going to try and slide herself down a little bit. So if you look at this group of people, these are actually kids. This one looks like the youngest. We're not sure. It would have to be the last one born. Are you the youngest member of your family? Are you the youngest student in your class? Are you the last one born in that group? Let's say these words one more time. Half, many, their youngest. All right, let's look at them one more time. Here they are. Please read them with me. There, by, alone, daughters, youngest, many, and half. Great job. Look for these when you're reading today and when you're reading our story this week, Rosa and Blanca.